Hello learners, once again welcome back to Eco Classes. As per the latest syllabus I am with you. Do like and subscribe to my channel so that timely आपको notifications मिलते रहे जो भी मैं नए वीडियो लेके आऊँ. Keep learning, keep achieving and do subscribe and like this Eco Classes channel. Chronological order का ये थर्ड पार्ट है. फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको पढ़ा दिया है. दिस इज द लास्ट पार्ट which is dealing with important economic theories with the year and author's name. It is really very important for your examination. upcoming अभी जो भी नेट एग्जामिनेशन आएगी या फिर आपका स्टेट लेवल एग्जामिनेशन जो भी आएगा उसमें भी ये हेल्पफुल करेगा. इट इज़ really very important for your examination purpose. माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक थियरीज की बात करें तो ISLM मॉडल वॉज गिवन बाय हिग्स इन द ईयर 1937. फिलिप्स कर्व जो कि really very importance होल्ड करता है. इट इज़ really very relevant in economic subject. It was given by AWH Phillips in the year 1958. Monetary approach of balance of payment was given by Hahn in the year 1959. Optimum currency area, the theory it was given by Robert Mundell, Marcus Fleming in the year 1960. Theory of profit की बात कर ले तो theory of profit there are several theories into it. The dynamic theory of profit was given by J.B. Clark in 1900. Rank theory of profit was given by F.A. Walker, but in which year he had given it, I seriously do not have any idea. If you do have, then do comment in the comment box so that other will also come to know about it and I will edit over here. Risk theory of profit was given by J.B. Hawley in the year 1907. Innovation theory of profit was given by Joseph Schumpeter in the year 1934. बिजनेस साइकिल की बात करें तो फ्रेंड्स बिजनेस साइकिल को ट्रेड साइकिल भी बोलते हैं हम. रिकवरी है, एक्सपांशन हो गया या फिर इन्फ्लेशन फेज हो गया तो वो सब को पढ़ते हैं हम. तो उसकी थियरी के बेसिस पे हम पढ़ते हैं. तो देयर आर सेवरल थियरीज अबाउट बिजनेस साइकिल. सो वन बाय वन लेट्स जस्ट look into its name, its author's name as well as the year in which it got published or it got developed. Sunspot climatic theory जिसे हम कहते हैं, it was given by William Stanley Jevons and later it was revised by Murray in the year 1875. Psychological theory, it was given by Pigou and Beveridge in the year 1909. Hawthorne's theory of monetary theory, it is given by Hawthorne in the year 1926. Innovation theory of trade and cycle, that was given of trade cycle, it was given by Schumpeter in the year 1927. Cowper theory of business cycle, it was also known as Cowper's model in microeconomics. It was given by Etzkers, J. Tindergen and U. Ricci in the year 1930, that is during the time of Great Depression. Under consumption theory, it was given by Marx and Malthus. Hobson got developed it and it was also came in the year 1930. Business cycle, there are several theories more. Von Hayek's theory or over-investment theory, it was given by Von Hayek in the year or during 1930s. So during 1930s, you can say that it was a time of Great Depression. The problem of unemployment poverty was prevailing all across the globe. So to prevent that or to have solution towards that, several theories came into existence. So these are some of them. Samuelson's model, it was given by Samuelson in the year 1939. Keynes theory, it was given by J.F. Keynes during 1930s. Calder's theory of trade cycle, it was given by Calder in 1940. Hicks theory of trade cycle, it was given by Hicks in 1950. Goodwin's trade cycle, the theory was given by Goodwin in the year 1967. Real business cycle in growth and development was given by Prescott, Kindley, Barrow and King and Long and Prosser in the year or during 1980s. Theory of dualism की बात करें, social dualism, it was given by J.H. Boki. Ecological dualism was given by Gibbs. Technological dualism was given by Benjamin Higgins. Enclave dualism was given by Singer, Furtado and Mint. Financial dualism was given once again by Mint. International dualism by Michael Todaro, which is really very important for your examination. Geographical dualism was given by Gunnar Myrdal. Thank you so much for listening to me. Do like and subscribe to my channel for regular updates of the examination. And keep watching my channel Eco Classes so that time to time आपको notifications नए videos के मिलते रहे. Till the next time, keep learning, happy achieving.